Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Zippertech, and guys, in my today's video, I've got the Apple Pencil. So it is a fake copy of Apple Pencil. So I've got this from Amazon, and I've got this for a really cheap price of 1,800 or something figure. So let's unbox this thing and let's test out how good this device performs, and is it worth buying the real Apple Pencil, which is for 2,000 rupees. So guys, this is the Apple Pencil, which is of the first generation. And yes, let's unbox it. On the box they have written that it is compatible with the 20 iPad and later iPads. So they have told that it is compatible for the iPad Pro from 2018, the iPad Pro from 2020, and the iPad Pro from 2022, and the iPad Air. This is the second generation type Apple Pencil, and let's unbox this. The packaging, I give it a minus because it is really bad. As you can see over here, it is, I can't focus, but yeah, I don't know if you can see or not, it is damaged over here, and is overall a bit odd. And over here also we can see that it is broken. So yeah, the packaging is not good. Now in the box itself we get a charging cable, so it does not charge wirelessly like the original Apple Pencil. And we get an extra tip over here, as you can see, so that's one good thing. And let's take this thing out of the box right away. So in the hand it feels pretty good. Here we can see we have an LED light to signify it's on or it's charging. Then we have the USB type C port with us for charging, and I don't know how this thing switches on. I think you just tap this. Yeah, you tap this thing and this thing switches on. As you can see, it is green over here. So guys, right over here I have bought my iPad Pro, which is iPad Pro from 2020, and I'll show you how this pencil works, how it is good or it is bad. So let me switch on my iPad. So guys, I have downloaded this app called Cola Note, and I have made some notes already on this thing. So let's go to chemistry over here and make new notes. So you can choose many types from notes over here. So let's choose the normal one on which we write, and here it is, create notes. So this is a really good app suggested by my friend. So the build quality wise, this is made from plastic, but somehow it feels cold to the hand, and it connects wirelessly, so it doesn't work on Bluetooth. Just switch this on from over here and this starts to work. So let's write hello over here, and this is pretty good. So you don't get any kind of pressure sensitivity at this price point. Yes, it is not what do you call that there, but for just making notes and all, this pencil is really good. So in the real Apple Pencil, as you know, there is tilt sensitivity and all that pressure sensitivity stuff. It's not there in this. You can just make notes and all these things. So you can just make chemistry notes. So in your college or school, it's really easy to make notes and no hassle of notebooks and all that stuff. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And to switch this device off, just tap it twice and it switches off, as you can see. So and this tip is also removable. Just twist it like this and there you go. And you can take another tip and just push it. Done. Voila. So guys, if you're planning to buy this device, and yeah, one thing I forgot, it attaches magnetically too, and it is pretty good. I liked it. Yes, so guys, the battery life of this thing is also really good. It lasts for a long time. And guys, if you're planning to buy this, I will put the links down in the description. Just go for it if your budget is a bit low. Uh, so if you can't afford the original pencil, or if you want to try how you will use the Apple Pencil, it is a really great buy just for 2000, under 2000 bucks. And there are many kind of brands, as you can see. Tusker is there, then Stylus, some brand is there. So basically they all are the same brands, but Tusker just adds its own, what do you call